Okay, here's my M105A2, my grease gun, here's my severed cable, thanks to some dodgy damn forky. The ripped data plate. Now, as you can see, I've removed. Hang on, I've got to put that snap on. Here's my cable. Damn it! Oh, there it is. The severed connector cable. I see I can pulled it out, taking the retainers off. I've just got that one to go. It looks like I might have to remove the handbrake to be able to get a straight shot at it, and then I can remove this plug and then put the brand new replacement in. All the grease nipples have the new caps on them, so when this was refurbished they did a really good job on it. So ignore the white residue on it, because that's just the cleaning agent I used. A little bit of residue on it. Oh, that bolt came out of there, because it was actually, that's that bolt for the tie down. Now it was actually in this way, and as you can see, it actually hits the light. Alright, and I rather don't want it to do that, so I took it out and I want to spin it, turn it over, put it in that way, because that way it won't obstruct anything. That way it's not going to obstruct anything. Unfortunately, I can't get that bolt back in because the light's just in the way. So, fortunately, there's only the two bolts on there holding that light assembly on. So I'll take them off. I can put the bolt back in, put its retaining pin back in it, and that's that done. And then I'm going to go through and go through all the grease points. On this. Man, this thing is in freaking beautiful condition. I can't believe the condition this thing is in. Geez, I need some more light in here. That's better. This thing, this trailer's got no rust, no corrosion, nothing. Now, apart from when I got it, a couple of little knocks, which I've since straightened out here, because this was actually pushed in a bit, so I've straightened them out so you really can't see it except for where the paint's flecked out. There was one there, and there was one on the bottom of the, no, that was the bottom of the, here it is, there was one here. Right, now apart from that, every single panel on this thing is straight. Everything. And it's like new. So there's that pin. I'm gonna be going over this thing, and the last job I'm gonna do is I'm going to Take this pin out, back this off. I need a bigger spanner because I don't have one big enough for it at the moment. And I'm going to make sure I can take this lunette out. And I'm going to make sure it rotates. I'm going to actually physically pull it out all the way, lubricate it back up, and then put it back in. So apart from that, everything on this thing works. So this thing is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And what's more, the landing gear on this thing works really smooth. It doesn't hang up, it's not stiff. It's on the fiberglass. Looks like somebody's knocked it here and here, but apart from that, everything works brilliant. The air vents open as they should. The electrical cable ports open beautifully. Now I don't know why this thing has these square holes in it. Don't know why. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the feet for the bottom of chairs, right? Because they're about the same size, and I'm going to use them as plugs and plug those back up. But apart from that, this thing is magnificent. Look, clean as freaking like new metal. This thing is incredible. And the good thing is, the amount of weight this thing can carry. Look at it. Absolutely fantastic. Talk about the steal of the century. Ignore that just needs to be cleaned yet. Oh, it's got little plugs in it. Everything works. Absolutely everything. So I've just yet to clean the back. And this thing is freaking brilliant. Okay.